Trump confirms trade with China, talks progressing with India. A major breakthrough with Beijing and now eyes set on New Delhi. Bangladesh pays 3,282 crore rupees to Adani Power, reduces outstanding dues. In a major step to ease traffic congestion, Patna will soon launch its own water metro service. The Ganga River will serve as a new route for clean and smooth urban transport. Namaskar, welcome to Habis Now. I am Shashira. You are watching What's Going On. On Friday, US President Donald Trump made a big announcement. He said that the United States and China have signed a trade agreement. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick told Bloomberg TV that the agreement was signed earlier this week. However, neither Trump nor Lutnick shared the full details of the deal. Trump said on Thursday night, "We have just signed a trade deal with China." Howard Lutnick said the deal was signed 2 days ago. He added, "The president is making agreements. We will be making one deal after another." China's Ministry of Commerce also confirmed that the framework of the deal has been agreed upon. However, the statement did not mention rare minerals, which are very important for making high-tech products like electric vehicles. This is a key issue between China and the US because China controls the export of these rare minerals. The Chinese statement said that they will approve the export of restricted items only if they follow the law and rules. In return, the US will cancel some of the trade restrictions that were put on China. The deal says that both countries will make equal efforts to make the agreement work. Trump hints at a big trade deal with India. Trump also said that the US might soon sign a major trade agreement with India. Speaking at a White House event on Thursday, he said, "We have some excellent deals. We are going to make another deal, possibly with India, a very big one. We are going to open the doors for India." Trump also said, "We are not going to make deal with everyone. For some countries, we will just send a letter saying, 'Thank you very much, but you will have to pay 25%, 35% or even 45% tariff.' That's the easy way." Adani gets 3,282 crore rupees from Bangladesh in pending bills. In June, Bangladesh paid 3,282 crore rupees to Adani Power. This payment helped reduce the pending electricity bill under their power supply agreement. According to sources, Bangladesh had to pay around 3,735 crore rupees, but by June 27, it had paid 3,282 crore rupees. With this payment, all dues till March 31st have been cleared. Even after this, Bangladesh still owes Adani about 4,200 crore rupees, which is still a large amount. Bangladesh signed the deal with Adani Power in 2017, but it is now struggling to pay due to an economic crisis. After the Russia-Ukraine war in 2022, the political issues in the country, Bangladesh import costs increased, making it harder to pay bills. Last year, Adani had cut power supply to half because of non-payment. In March 2025. Bangladesh made some payments and full electricity supply was restarted. Till now, Bangladesh has paid around 12,500 crore rupees out of a total 16,700 crore rupees. Adani Power Jharkhand Limited, a part of Adani Group, cut electricity supply by 50% in November 2024. This was because Bangladesh owed around 7,050 crore rupees at that time. Before this, Adani had written a letter to Bangladesh Energy Secretary asking for full payment by October 30, 2024. In the letter dated October 27, Adani warned that if payment was not made, They would have to stop power supply from October 31st under the Power Purchase Agreement. Patna to get its own water metro soon. Big news for Patna. The city will soon get a water metro service on the Ganga River as announced by Union Minister of Ports and Shipping Sarbanand Sonowal. Earlier this year, a detailed study for this project was started by the Inland Waterways Authority of India, the Kochi Metro Rail Limited, which already runs a successful water metro in Kochi, was asked to check if the same can work on the Ganga and its nearby rivers. Now question is, why water metro for Patna? Actually, Patna has traffic problems. The roads are already crowded and it is difficult to widen them due to the city's layout and nearby rivers. Ganga River is in the north, Son River is in the west, Punpun River is in the south. Because of this geography, expanding roads is not possible and traffic jams are very common. That's why the water metro is seen as a smart alternative. A water metro is a modern boat transport system that uses electric or hybrid boats. It first started in Kochi in 2023. Patna's water metro plan is based on the same model. This water metro will work along with the upcoming rail metro in Patna. The first phase of the rail metro is expected to open on 15 August. The new blue line of the metro will connect Patna Junction with the interstate bus terminal. Water metro stations will be built near transport hubs, markets and residential areas. This will give people easy last mile connectivity, meaning a smooth journey from boat to home or office. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Habis now. Namaskar.